very young. I was I was 21, and then all of a sudden you had record companies and publishers and money and all that stuff. It was kind of it was a bit scary.
We're kind of really skeptical about all this, like doing a lot of interviews, a lot of photo session where you post and all this stuff. And then if you deny that, if you don't want to be a part of it, then people are, why are you doing that? It's confusing. Then they start to build up some image of you're weird or something.
We work a lot on the music. Maybe we work sometimes too much, and it kind of takes a lot to make us happy.
When we meet, four of us, in some space with some instrument and play together, four as one. We don't talk much, we just play until something feels right, some atmosphere comes to us, and we just mold it and form it, and until it feels like some whole. Just let things just come to you.